Kevin, get your homework done. Do your homework.
Whitney Houston is in outpatient rehab, which means you can't drink all day and then you can go home and drink there. And then there were rumors that little Christina Bobby.
Do your homework, Kevin.
Okay.
Rascal, let Kevin do his homework, please.
Excuse me, but I'd like to say that I am not going to rehab. I'm perfectly healthy and not addicted to anything but life. Her daughter, Bobby Christina. They were supposed to go to rehab together, but they didn't. I mean,
Kevin.
at the same time, which would have been like mommy and me rehab. Which would have been perfect.
She had a problem with Bobby Brown, and then she had to go to rehab. And now she left Bobby Brown, and now she's going back to rehab with Bobby Brown. The kid.
No, the kid's not in rehab. There were rumors that the kid was in rehab, but the kid is not in rehab. Bobby Brown actually looks like the one who's got his act together in this whole entire scenario. Who knew she would be better off without him than with him? He's going along.